efficient size reduction of a variety of materials, including mixed municipal solid waste, woody waste and biomass, construction and demolition waste, recycled asphalt shingles, and e-waste. Today's application involves compost derived from the organic fraction of municipal solid waste, which can include glass, greatly reducing the uses and value of this material. While the glass does not detract from the environmental benefits of the compost, it renders the compost unsuitable for sale as a retail product. Current technologies for removing glass and other inert materials often result in a high loss of the compost, negatively impacting the yields and cost of generating a good Class 1 material. The Torx kinetic pulverizer takes a different approach. By breaking the glass down to fine particles, essentially sand, no compost is lost. The sand simply blends in with the organic material. The kinetic pulverizer achieves size reduction through self-attrition. A series of rotating pads inside the kinetic pulverizer creates vortices, which the material gets caught in. Individual particles of material slam into other particles at very high speeds, achieving rapid and efficient breakdown of the material. Ductile materials are reduced to a fluffy consistency, while brittle materials such as glass are reduced to a fine powder. In the specific case of glass in compost, this produces a beautiful homogenized compost with a small amount of sand finely dispersed throughout. Because size reduction is achieved through self-attrition, contact with the rotating pads in the kinetic pulverizer is only incidental, dramatically reducing machine downtime, electricity costs, and maintenance costs compared to traditional grinding, shredding, and hammer mills. Average particle size can be easily controlled by adjusting the RPMs of the pads as well as the spacing between the pads and baffles within the kinetic pulverizer. Particle size distribution is also much improved compared to alternative processes, which is of great benefit when preparing a feedstock for any thermal or biological conversion technology. There is a variety of waste-to-energy technologies in the marketplace today. The one thing they all have in common is a need for an engineered feedstock, which includes a desired average particle size and particle size distribution. The kinetic pulverizer is an essential component in any solid waste integrated feedstock preparation system. The kinetic pulverizer will continuously process anywhere from 5 to 40 tons per hour, depending on the specific material, starting particle size, and desired finished particle size. By adjusting residence time, the kinetic pulverizer can often replace traditional serial size reduction setups, such as a chipper followed by a hammer mill for woody biomass. Marathon also provides a variety of custom-engineered in-feed and out-feed conveyors specific to your application to ensure a fully integrated waste processing system. Only the Torx kinetic pulverizer provides the flexibility to size reduce such a huge variety of materials, from compost and glass to asphalt shingles and other C&D materials to woody waste and biomass, fixed MSW, and e-waste. Any other size reduction technology is very application specific, with the pads suitable only for a narrow range of materials and conditions and requiring constant sharpening and/or replacement with high maintenance downtime and high utility costs. If you're looking to achieve size reduction of any solid waste in the most productive, energy-efficient, reliable way, with a homogenized output material and tightly controlled particle size, nothing compares to the Torx kinetic pulverizer, available from your local Marathon dealer. Marathon will